Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 A3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear fog light. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. Come take a test drive today.